Hi writers! Today for writing, we're going to be doing something a little different. Today, we're going to spend time making a card for someone who is very special in your life. Can you guess who? Your mom! But shh! Don't tell her. It's going to be a surprise. This coming Sunday is Mother's Day, and it would be pretty special for you to surprise her with a special card. I'm going to show you how to make a card, but first I want to read you a book. It's called How to Make a Card. That's pretty perfect for what we're going to be doing today, right? Do you want to brighten someone's day? Here is a simple way. Make a card for someone and give it to them. All you need is some paper, markers, or crayons, and a pencil. First, you move the paper so it is horizontal. Then, fold the paper in half. The paper will already start to look like a card. Use your markers or crayons to decorate the front of your card. You could write some words too. This card says, "Thinking of you." There's a picture for decoration and words. Next, open the card and write a note on the inside. Don't forget to write the name of who you are writing to and to sign your name at the bottom. If you're not sure who to write your card to, then think about writing it to someone in your family, a friend, or even your teacher. In this case, we're going to be writing to your mom. Once you've written in your card, then you're ready to give it to the person you wrote it to. Reading it will make their heart feel good. When you give the card, it will make your heart feel good too. So you'll probably want to make another one for someone else. In that book, it says that we need paper, markers, or crayons, and a pencil. Those are our materials. Those are all things we've been using as writers already, and you should already have them in your writing spots. Perfect. First, we need to turn our paper like this, horizontal. That means in this direction. And fold the paper in half. Next, we'll write some words. Since this is a Mother's Day card, we're going to write Happy Mother's Day. On the inside, we'll write in our card. And then you'll give your card to your mom on Sunday, which is Mother's Day. Let's take a look at how I'm going to write my card. First, I need to make sure my paper is horizontal, so I need to move it this direction. Then I'm going to fold my paper in half. You can do this along with me. I'm going to make sure that the edges are next to each other when I fold it, and then crease. Now I'm ready to write my words. Since we're writing a card for Happy Mother's Day, I'm going to write happy. Happy starts with an H. Happy Mothers. Mother starts with an M. Mother. ER makes the sound. Happy Mother's Day. I'm going to put an exclamation mark. I'm going to want to draw a picture on the bottom of this. Maybe you'll draw a heart on yours, or a sunshine, or a rainbow. My mom really likes flowers, so I'm going to draw a flower. Loop, loop, and a loop. I think I'll make the middle orange. I'll add a stem and some grass later. I could even decorate it by adding a butterfly or the sunshine. Now I'm going to write. At the beginning of our cards, we need to write who we're writing to. We're writing to our moms, so we're going to write, Dear Mom. If you have a stepmom or a grandma or an aunt, you could write to them too. Dear Mom. Maybe you'll write more than one card. And then on the inside, I'm going to write a note. You could write something that tells her what you love about her. You could say, Dear Mom, I love your hugs. They always make me feel better. Or you could write about something you like to do with her, like this. Dear Mom, I love it when we play games together. Write something that tells her how special she is to you. Make sure you write your name on the bottom so she knows it's from you. Take your time on your card and then put it in a safe place so you can surprise her with it on Mother's Day. Remember, Mother's Day is on Sunday. Okay, writers, go ahead and work on your cards. I'm going to keep working on mine too.